You want to know how to add admins to your Facebook page, and I'm going to show you how to do that today. But stick around to the end because I'm also covering one wildly important key thing to keep in mind before you add the first person. So keep watching. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Brandy with LYFE Marketing, the digital marketing agency with a mission to help small businesses grow. Super quick, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of the marketing videos we put out every week to help you grow your business. All right, so a Facebook page admin has the highest level of access on a Facebook page. Admins can manage all aspects of a Facebook page, from assigning rules and changing others' rules to publishing to your page and sending messenger messages on behalf of the business. Today I'm going to show you how to add an admin to your Facebook page. When looking at your business page, scroll down the left-hand side menu and click Settings. Then scroll down and click Page Roles and look under the Assign a New Page Role section. You can type in the name or email address of the person you want to add, select Admin as the role, and click Add. If you're adding them by email, you want to make sure it's the email they use to sign up with on Facebook, not just any email address that they use. If you're sure you've got the right email address or name typed in, but it's still not letting you add the person, try adding them as a friend on Facebook first, and then waiting one day. Then come back and try again, and it should let you add them at that point. Now, before you go running off adding admins left and right, I have a huge word of caution to you. Do not, hear me, do not add anybody as an admin that you do not trust or know well. If somebody else is an admin, they can remove you as an admin, and just like that, you've lost access to your page, and there is a slim to none chance you're getting it back. There's an extremely common scam that's been going around for some time now where people trick you into giving them admin access, either by offering free advertising done for your page or free marketing, etc. Then once they get admin access, they remove you and your team so that they're the only ones with access to your page and followers. This scam has happened so much in the last year that I made these two videos about how to avoid it, or at least try to get access back. But the best way to avoid it altogether is to only give admin access to people you absolutely trust. And keep in mind that there are other roles you can give people outside of admin. There's editor, moderator, advertiser, analyst, and custom. If you just need someone to stay on top of your messages and respond to them for you, you can add them as a moderator. If you need someone to be able to publish content and ads as well as respond to comments and messages, add them as an editor. Not everybody needs admin access. So don't just give people, coworkers or otherwise, admin access willy-nilly. If your admin access is wrongfully removed by someone and you get in touch with Facebook support about what happened, it's not guaranteed that they will be able to help you at all, because ultimately you're the one who gave the person admin access. So I can't stress this enough, be very selective about who you give admin access to. Now, what questions do you have? Leave any that you do have for me in the comments and I'll get back to you there. Otherwise, that's all I have for you today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell before you go, and I will see you in the next episode.